So, sa Rule 130 is the rules of admissibility. So, when we see rules of admissibility from the word admissibility, kung ito ay ang mga patakaran kung kailan magpi-present ng mga ebidensya at kung ano lang yung mga ebidensya na maaaring i-present. So, sa rules of evidence, there are 20 sections. So, I will explain the 20 sections and give examples, each one. Section 1 is in rules of evidence in Rule 130 is Section 1, object as evidence. So, for example, the knife used in crimes presented in court for identification and examination. So, from the word object, so, object as evidence. So, syempre, kung ang isang tao is sinaksak, so, anong i-present mo na evidence? So, isa na dyan ang knife para i-present sa ano. So, second is documentary evidence. A signed loan agreement is offered in court as a proof of parties' obligation. So, documentary evidence, so isa yan sa kinakailangan na i-present or binibigay sa court. So, what is the example? So, kagaya nga nito, signed loan of agreement. So, kailangan siyang i-offer din na court as an evidence. So, next is number 3 is evidence best evidence rule, original document required. So, example scenario niya is the original promissory note must be submitted, not a photocopy to prove deed. So, understandable naman siya. Best evidence rule, original document required. So, from the word original. So, original. So, for example, may papers ka na sinign about sa utang. So, syempre, hindi ka pwede mag-present sa court ng mga photocopy, evidence original nga, di ba? So, kailangan yung original tagay present mo. So, sa number 4 is So, number 4 is what constitutes original. So, example scenario niya is several identical signed contracts are all treated as original. So, ang iba't ibang identical signed contracts ay tinuturing na lahat ay original. So, number 5 is secondary evidence allowed if original unavailable. So, for example, scenario is if the original contract was lost in a fire, a copy and witness testimony about in a contents may be accepted. For example, yung copy na original is nasunog siya while may nagkaroon ng sunog sa bahay nyo. So, yung photocopy or yung secondary evidence allowed. So, if not available yung original. So, when we say secondary evidence, yun yung mga photocopy natin. So, next is, number 6 is, when original is with the adverse party. So, example scenario na is, if party B refuses to produce the original check after reasonable notice, party A may offer a copy. So, for example, si party B nag-refuse siya na mag-produce ng original check. So, kinakailangan ni party A na mag-present. So, kailangan niya mag-offer ng copy. So, number 7 is public records as original. So, example scenario niya is certified true copy of a land title from a government registry can be accepted. So, for example, yung sa land is nagpa-register ako ng land. So, kung wala akong copy, so yung public records as the original. So, pwede ko yon gamitin. Pwede akong kumuha nun sa public records. So, example niyan is sa PAO, Public Attorney's Office. So number 8 is party not obliged to offer document inspected. So for example is after inspecting a lease contract, a party may choose not to offer it as evidence. So kung yung party is yung a party is not obliged to offer documents. So for example, nag is expecting na mag-offer ang a party ng evidence, pero they refuse it, so they're not obliged to offer that